Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Calendly with Framer. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so please keep on watching. First thing you have to do is to search for Framer on your main browser and log in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, select the site that you have built with Framer. Here, I'm going to add another page. Then, go to Calendly. Select the Calendly page that you would like to integrate with your Framer account. Tap on this Share button right here. Then, under the Add to Website section, click on Inline Embed. Calendly will then give you this embed link that you can copy. Before you copy this embed, you may also modify the background color, text color, and button and link color, but take note that you may need to upgrade your subscription for this. Once you're done and satisfied, just copy the code and then go to Framer. Click on this Insert button and choose Utility. Tap on Embed. Then, Framer will automatically insert your embed code. Move it to the canvas and double-click on it. On the sidebar that appears, navigate to the Embed section and choose HTML. Then, paste the link we've just copied from Calendly here. You will see here that our Calendly page has finally been added to our Framer site. And that's it. Now you can modify this however you like. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tricks Tutorials for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!